everyone, this is a Vivid T8 machine of General Electronics. Here you can see. So today I will give the overview of this machine. So from starts, these machines have two probes, 6S and 3CS. This machine is only used for for cardiology, for eco purposes. So from start, here you can select probes. Here you can see that there are two probes are showing 6SRS and 3SC-RS. Select the probe which you want. So after selecting the probes, you can start your exam. And because we don't want to start their exam, here a still image is a freezed image. Here is a live ultrasound performance an exam has been started. So let's check some archive exams. Here are some archives exams, and just I want to tell you about the buttons. Here is a P1 button. You can print out from this P1, P2, and this is the depth. You can increase and decrease the depth of the machine or for exam or photo or image. And from this knob you can turn it right and turn right will zoom out the image, and turn left zoom out the image. This is a trackball or a cursor. These are modes of ultrasound: color flow mode, pulse wave, TVI, and color. If you want to let's select an image. I select this image, archive image. So you can see here image. Now I will press the color. It is already selected, and picture is showing the motion of a blood or a velocity of a blood. If I now it's not showing the color. Now I will again apply the color mode on this. So it's again showing the color. And if I press the CW button, then you can now see it's applied on it. And now, so here you can see if we want to start a new exam, we will again press the freeze button, and a new exam has been started. Here you can see that with the help of this probe you can increase and decrease the width. With the help of this you can increase and decrease the frequency. See 1.7 to 3.5 megahertz. With this, if you will press it, it will become tilt. If you press, you can see there are two comments are mentioned here: frame rate and dynamic range. If you will press it, it will come to the dynamic range, and if you will press it back, it will go to the frame ratio again. So this is the Wolfson General Healthcare Vivid T8 machine, and these buttons are the TGC time gain control. You can increase and decrease the gain. Here you can see